Hello and welcome to this short exercise on pie chart and money management part 2. I hope you find it useful. Right, and here is our project, our exercise. We've got a pie chart which has got 4 items: profit, labor, materials and tax. Now we know that the labor cost is $75,000 and profit cost is $36,000, but we don't know X, which is the proportion of the pie chart occupied by profit. So if we do 150 degrees is equivalent to $75,000, and then that X degrees is equivalent to $36,000. If we divide X by 150 and 36,000 by 75,000 and then cross multiply, we end up that X is equal to 36,000 times 150 divided by 75,000, and the answer is 72 degrees. For subsection 2, we want to find the material costs. We know the proportion of the pie chart occupied by material costs, and that's 84 degrees. So if we then say that X dollars is equivalent to 84 degrees, and if we then say that X divided by 75,000 is equal to 84 divided by 150, so X will be, when we cross multiply, X will be 84 times 75,000 over 150, and that will give us $42,000. For subsection 3, we want to find the tax to profit ratio. Now, the difficulty here is that we don't know what angle is occupied by the tax bill, so we need to find that. Now, the sum of the angles at the point or in the circle is 360 degrees. So to find the angle occupied by the tax bill, we need to subtract 150, 84 and X from 360, and that's what we've got here. So which means that the tax occupies 54 degrees. Now, to find the ratio of tax to profit, we look at the proportion of the pie chart occupied by the tax bill, and the proportion of the proportion of the tax of the pie chart occupied by the profit, which is 54 to 72. And divide by 6, we got 9 to 12, and divide by 3, we got 3 to 4. Okay, and that's the answer for subsection 3, part A. Now for part B, we are asked to express 78,000 in standard form. Now if you follow my pointer, I'm going to move my decimal point to the left hand side. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, so my decimal point is now between 7 and 8. So in standard form, 78,000 is equivalent to 7.8 times 10 to the power 4. The 4 because we moved our decimal point 4 times to the left hand side. In part B, we are supposed to show the increase in labor charge or labor cost from 1998 to 1999 in percentage terms. So the increase is 78,000 minus 75,000, and that's $3,000. Now, if we divide $3,000 by 75,000 and then multiply by 100, we get 4% as our answer. Now, part C. Now, you got to be very, very careful with the wording of the question. And as you can see, 160% more than, that's in bold letters. So that is saying to us that is 106% more than for 1993. So in effect, For 1999, it is 260% if 1993 is 100%. Right. So 78,000 is equivalent to 260%. So X dollars equivalent to 100%. So again, if we do X over 78,000 is equal to 100 divided by 260. So X by cross multiplying becomes 100 times 78,000 divided by 260, and the answer is $30,000. I hope that's been useful. Please subscribe, and I hope to hear from you again sometime. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye bye.